used to struggle to get the data that we needed to answer the business questions. We were making decisions on gut feel rather than on real facts. And the culture now in the organisation is to go to the data, look at the data, see what it says, do the analysis, and then make the right decision based on that data. So it's been an absolute game changer for us delivering this solution. Community Fibre is a London-based network. We've passed just over 1 million homes now in the network, so growing very, very rapidly. We provide broadband services, we provide TV services, we provide voice services to our customers. It was really clear when I joined the organisation that we needed to have a transformation that was going to take our IT forward to make sure that our systems would scale with the growth that we had in our base. One of the biggest problems we had was with our data environment. We had data really just flowing from one CRM system into our big data platform. So we had separate billing systems, CRM systems, and customer-facing customer management systems. That combination of systems where the data wasn't fully integrated across those platforms meant that there was zero chance of us having accurate data. What we felt we needed was a solution that hit 3 key objectives. The first one of those was somewhere to house our data. The second one was somewhere that we could visualize our data. And the third one was to start on the process of orchestrating services from that data. Having all of that capability in one place was absolutely critical. When we started talking to Domo, we were able to get a really clear and precise vision of how the platform would solve our solution.
It was a fairly unique use case, I would say. It was the first time actually working around data with a fiber company, and they were after visibility, clearly. The first use case we started working on was actually trying to build a map of London, the different boroughs of London, and being able to drill down into this map and see where they've deployed, where they have customers, where they don't. We started working on this with the solution consultants and their enterprise architecture, and they were quickly very keen to see what else they could do with Domo.
The process of implementing the system was absolutely fantastic for us. We signed a contract, and then within 12 weeks, we were able to be up live with all of our solutions integrated into a single platform. I've done a number of these implementations before in various organisations. It is by far the quickest that I've ever been able to achieve that time to value.
In terms of the performance of the platform, it's been flawless over the last 12 months, really. You can get very quickly from, well, there's a question over here that we want to have the answer to get the data, change it into the form that we need, produce a card or a dashboard, and then be able to answer the question.
We went from a point where we had around about 50 people using data on a regular basis to a point now where we've got well over 600 people in our organisation using data. It has been an absolute cultural change for us.
Being able to automate so much of what people do, so actually they can spend more of their time doing the things that add value to the business. Everybody has now got trust that that is the right set of numbers in that data set, and that's what gets used for reporting.
Domo's really helped us grow as a business. We've had phenomenal growth in terms of our customer base, in terms of our network, but also in terms of the culture in Community Fibre. Culture has changed with Domo quite dramatically to allow us to become a data-led organisation.